Well, here goes. '09 F250 center cab mounts will not come apart. So this is my solution. This is how I did it. First, let me get under here. Of course, I can't turn the dang camera around. Okay. First thing I did was, with the rear mount in place, I'd already put 2 pieces of strap steel on top. Then what I did was I used my puller like this. I took and stuck a 1/4 inch drive extension up through there. Then I tightened this down against it. That still didn't get it pulled. But with it up there and a bunch of pressure on it, I took my air chisel and smacked the bushing itself right in here, and it finally freed up. So if you have these tools, hopefully that will make it easier. If you got any more questions, I'm going to do the other side here in just a minute. I'll try to get a video of that and show it in detail. Y'all take care.